Hi, how you doing? It's Elliott, and today I'm going to share another recipe with you that's suitable for the 1 month herbal detox, 1 month herbal slim or body tune programs. And it's a pumpkin and spinach bake. It's not quite suitable for the 2-week detox because it's got some eggs and it's also got a bit of brie. What we've got in this recipe is a whole pumpkin. We've got several heads of fresh spinach. We've got a litre of yoghurt. I'm probably going to use half of that. And I'm going to use about a dozen eggs. Also a piece of brie, a couple of heads of garlic, some mixed herbs. And we're going to make a dish like this, so a roasting dish size, quite a large dish. It'll serve about 10 people, maybe 12, or you could have it for 2 or 3 nights running. And what I sometimes do is I make a whole dish, we eat about half of it and freeze the rest and have it later on, which is really convenient. Alright, so let's get into it.